We on the tram.
Huh? We want to go there.
Austin. Here we go.
Daddy, where's the bike park?
On the second one. Hello. Look at that. Too shabby. Oh wow, look at this. See a little lake over there that we can't see now. Oh, there we go. Ah. Oh God. This seems safe. Oh, look at that.
Whoa.
That's pretty cool. Huh.
That's what I saw on the cruise.
Yeah. Banana boat.
Hello everyone. Now, in just a few short minutes, we'll be arriving at our first stop, Scuttle's Cove Tram Stop. You should disembark here for Scuttle's Cove Children's Program Area, Monstro Point Famous Whale Skeleton Dig, Castaway Cay Stingray Adventure, watercraft rentals, gills, fins and boat snorkel rental, and she sells seashells and everything else for shopping.
I'm gonna go there.
After Scuttle's Cove, this tram will be continuing on to Pelican Point,